Today we are going to talk about Microsoft Teams. So go to teams.microsoft.com and then you can see in your web browser Microsoft Teams opening up. Now Microsoft Teams is one of the most secure platform for collaboration, chat, file sharing in an organization. And we'll go ahead and see what are the different features of Microsoft Teams. I'll give you an overview of what you can do with Microsoft Teams at work or in educational place. So on the left side you can see there are multiple options like activity, chat, then you have teams, then if it's educational you have assignments, then you will have calendars. Apart from calendars, we can click on the three dots, you will see what are the different apps and recent apps which you have been using. Now again, apart from this, there is another option of apps just below those three dots. You can go and search multiple apps there. You have office and non-office apps also in this. As you saw on the screen, there was a non-office app, Trello. Now once you click on the app, you will see what are the popular apps. Even it's categorized through industries. You can even see which are the apps which are popular in your organization. As you can see, like OneNote, Task Planner, or some of the forms which are popular, some of the educational apps, some of the productivity apps, everything comes under this section. You can click on the right hand side top three dots and you can download the desktop app and even the mobile app. I would suggest try using the Microsoft desktop app. Now once it's downloaded, you can just click and the app will open up. So I'll take you in detail on that. Before that, just another feature quickly is the search bar. You can just put the / and you can see you can just type busy or available or DND, BRB files, and you can search anything from there.